Hello guys, I'm Julian and today in this video I show you how it works this Parkside blaster gun. After you watch this video you can tell me if it's worth buying or not. I wait your message. And if this video helps you to make a decision, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below and subscribe to see more videos like this. Don't cost you nothing and help me a lot. Here you have the tank, which I fill it with sand. The gun comes with 4 different heads. This is all 4 different type. I use coarse sand with the grain size between 0 and 1 millimeter. This is the result. What do you think? It's worth to buy it or not? It will be even better if you insist. For me it's enough. I was Julian. Have a nice day.